With Simplified, you can add gradients to your artboard in just a click. Begin by selecting this paint bucket icon in the top toolbar, and then next to gradient, go ahead and click this apply icon. A menu on the right-hand side will open up, and from here, let's use this drop-down menu that says gradients. Simplified's professional designers have already created these amazing gradients, so all that you have to do is simply select the one that you love. You'll see this menu open up here. This is your editing tool within the gradient. You can click this icon here and change the angle of your gradient. Once you're done, simply click this icon again, and now you can see that these two icons here represent the colors in our gradient. You could add more colors by using this plus icon, or you could change the colors by selecting the color that you'd like to change, and then using our amazing color wheel to find your perfect color match. A great design hack is that you can use your brand kit colors right here to be included into your gradient. The last tool we can use is this icon here. Here we can change the intensity of each color. So by moving this slider here, I can add a little bit more dark purple to my design. And by moving this slider here, I can add a little bit more of the lighter purple color. Gradients are a great eye-catching way to add depth to your designs. To use Simplified's design tools and more, sign up on simplified.com. See you there.